Hey you guys, so first of all, please disregard my background over here. It's a little messy because I'm doing so many things at once. I'm actually adding new products, new resin products to my store. So if you are interested, I think by the time this video is up, most of these will be up. But a few videos back, I showed you guys how I propagated my Zebrina Pendula from 3 branches that broke off from my mother's big Zebrina Pendula, right? Well, shit happens, and I think this has a lot to do with the location where my mother placed the plant. I feel like the hallway there has a lot of bad energy, and like, I don't know, I feel like a lot of the plants there die because she has given me another one that did die, and I brought it into my room and it's actually thriving. And that plant that I'm talking about is the mosquito plant, which I did a video as well, and you'll see the progress. And it's been a few months since that other video, and it actually has gotten bigger. Look at it right there. So this one, if you look back at the video where I was talking about that one, the mosquito plant, it was just sticks. It was sick. It was about to die, but I was able to save it. So let me make sure this ring light and tripod is good. Okay, so this is what happened to my mother's Zebrina Pendula. As you can see, it died. It's kind of disappointing, but you know, shit happens. And what's this? Oh, okay. Well, it's extremely dry. I didn't want to throw it away because I'm actually going to use this bucket for what I'm going to do next. So that was hers. There's no saving it now, as you can see. And actually, before this happened, I did start to see that it was slowly dying, so I tried to propagate a few for her just in case, and they died as well. So I don't know. Now let's take a look at the one that I propagated for myself the first day that that plant came home with me, and 3 branches fell off, and so I took them for myself. Now look at this, you guys. Look at this beauty. So disregard this one because this one broke off today, because I'm actually going to propagate these. Look at this. Look at how beautiful it is. This one hasn't grown as much. I'm kind of disappointed, but yeah, we'll see what happens. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna propagate even more of these, put them in water, and I'm gonna, when they get roots, I'm gonna replant them, and then when it's time, I am going to switch them over here so that I can hang it in my room. But for now, this will stay here. And like I said, this big one, this healthy looking one, look at this, so long. Look at this. It started with only 3. It started with only 3 little branches. Okay, you guys, as you can see, I cut quite a few. I'm not sure if this one will grow. I don't know. I'm not sure, but let's give it a try. You're supposed to cut right below the node so that the roots can grow. You don't need to leave that much. So I did cut this one from the top. So I have just a little glass of jar of water like I did last time, and I'm just gonna place them here. I did remove a lot of the leaves from the bottom so that it would be easier. This one, I think, yeah, gotta get rid of that one. So we have two. We have this one, 3. Let me get rid of this 3 here. 3, 4, and we have 5. And voila. And we will just wait. In a few days I'll start seeing the roots growing, and then once the roots are big enough, then I can go ahead and plant them here. I'm not sure exactly when I'm gonna switch this over to the other pot. I'm gonna have to think about that actually, but we'll see. So as you can see, it's still pretty big. I mean, if I want, I can cut this one off right here too. Just place it in there. You guys, this is one of the easiest plants to grow, so if some of these don't root, just keep trying. But if you try this method, it will most likely start growing roots in water, and you can make your plants fuller and bigger. So yeah, we'll see in a few days what's happening, and I think that's good for now. Yeah, these are very leggy though, so I'm gonna do some research and see if there's a way to like fix that. This one right here is actually from this one as well, so this one I'm not sure. Let me see. I mean, the root, let me see, it doesn't look that bad. Oh no, yeah, no, that's not gonna work. So you know what, I think, actually I'm gonna cut this one right here and put it in water and see if it will actually grow. So let's see, let's give this one more chance. Just put it there in the water. Oh, actually, let me take this off. Let's see. Maybe it'll thrive in the water better. Okay, and that's it, you guys. We'll see what happens. You guys, look at the roots. I'm changing the water. I change the water every week, and they've gotten so big. There's one here, this one, let me see, this one right here, this one that's not growing, but I'm gonna leave it in here just in case it's growing a bit slower than the rest. But I'm gonna let them grow roots a bit longer, and then I'm gonna move them over to the pot with the others, and then I'll start the process all over again. You guys, you see how big this one has gotten? So I'll let the others grow for maybe a few more weeks, and then I'll put them in here, and then I'll start cutting some more cuttings and doing the same thing. I just want this to get very full. I'm gonna leave a few of these, maybe these two right here, so that they could trail, but I want it full on top as well. And then I'll do something to hang them up. I was gonna move them over to the hanging basket that I have, and I'm just gonna make 2 holes on this one and use some like hemp yarn or something to hang it up. But yeah, we'll see what happens in a few weeks.